Hello and a big welcome to everybody. Today is a very special day for me and for the whole BMW Motorrad team. It is our absolute highlight for the year 2020, the world premiere of the BMW R18. It's now almost a year since we celebrated the world premiere of the concept R18. After the presentation of this concept bike, we were really overwhelmed by the outstandingly positive feedback that this motorcycle triggered among so many motorcycle fans worldwide. It was a powerful confirmation for us that we are on exactly the right path to successfully entering the cruiser segment with the BMW Dream Bike. And now it's my great pleasure to present to you for the first time here and now the new BMW R18. The R18 stands entirely in the tradition of historical BMW motorcycles, more than any other BMW Motorrad model. It borrows from famous icons such as the BMW R5, shifting the focus to the motorcycle essentials with the biggest boxer engine ever as the epicenter of pure riding fun. Classic design is merged in the R18 with state-of-the-art technology to create a breathtaking overall concept, offering an emotionally intense riding experience. I myself will never forget the moment when I rode the R18 for the first time. With the impressive appearance, the new 1800cc big boxer continues the long tradition of our air-cooled boxer engines, providing an inspiring and unique riding experience from the beginning of BMW Motorrad in 1923 through today. Next to the 91 horsepower, I would particularly like to point out the overwhelming pulling power with a supreme torque of over 150 Nm. What an experience to feel this power. And no one other than our head of BMW Motorrad design, Edgar Heinrich, can now better explain how the R18 has managed to transfer the iconic style of the past so perfectly into the present day. Edgar.
Thank you. So, what you see here is a motorcycle in its purest form. The proportions of the bike are timeless. The sloping lines with a low stance and its elegant appearance, characteristic design icons which you can find in our classic motorcycles from the 30s and the 40s, have been transferred to this contemporary masterpiece. Take the double loop frame, the open running shaft drive, the drop-shaped fuel tank, the black finish with the white double pinstripes, and last not least, the monumental 1800cc boxer engine. All these expresses our classic design DNA with a very modern attitude. The purposeful design of the bodywork in the form of the individual components, they reinforce the bike's classic look. At the same time, it allows room for conversion, for customizing and modification. The design of the double-loop steel tube frame of the R18 continues the long-standing BMW Motorrad tradition of this frame type, which was already introduced by such classic bikes, for example like the R5. The most iconic part of this clearly is the boxer engine. It is the center of attention. A clean design with no distraction. Only the comprehensive mechanics is made visible, which I would refer as mechanics as the luxury of the future. As a result, a lot of attention has been placed on the details. For example, the classically designed circular instrument. The phrase Berlin built, shown on the dial, provides the reference to the bike's origin. The R18 is actually manufactured in Berlin. Such attention to detail can be found everywhere. The handlebar clamp, the tank, the fuel cap, the seat bolt connection and many more. More than any other BMW motorcycle, the R18 offers a highly conversion-friendly architecture. This is because customizing was very much in the focus right from the start of the development. And as a result, it is fitted with an easy removable rear frame and a simple to dismantle painted part set. Mounting many different parts is very easy too. This way, we enable every customer to create their individual dream bike with very, very little effort. With this series production bike, we have delivered what we had promised with our concept bike. I am sure this is a motorcycle dreams are made of.
Thank you very much, Edgar. Dear motorcycle fans, today's world premiere of the BMW R18 and the market launch in the second half of this year are milestones towards our stated goal of becoming the #1 brand in the premium motorcycle market.